In this lesson, the students are using place value to add. So how can they use tens and ones to add? You'll notice here that on the left-hand side we have our problem, 35 plus 38. We're going to go ahead and draw it out. You'll notice there's a dotted line right here. And that kind of separates our two numbers. So on the top we're going to draw out our 35, 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. And on the bottom we'll draw out our 38, 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. Now we're going to add up just this left-hand side, just our tens first. So 3 tens plus 3 tens is 6 tens. And then we had our ones, 5 ones plus 8 ones. Count it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We have 13 ones. And then we have 60, because 6 tens is 60 plus 13. And then count that all up. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73. So they know that 35 plus 38 is 73. Some of the students will notice that when they take 6 tens and they bring it down, they have 60, and then they have 13 ones. They can add the 6 and the 1 in the tens place, making it their 7, and then add the 0 and the 3. That 0 and that 3 to get their 3 in the ones place, and their 73. In the next example problem, we have 81 plus 14. So we draw out our first number in the top, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, plus our 14, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 8 tens plus 1 10 is 9 tens. 1 plus 4 is 5 ones. So then we bring our 9 tens down, and that's 90 plus 5 more. 90 plus 5 is 95. It's perfectly acceptable for the students to count it out, to go back, to use their picture to look at it. Whatever is most beneficial to help them solve the answer. 81 plus 14 is 95. Again, we have a hot problem, a more difficult, challenging problem here. We have 28 plus 17. So we brought our 28 straight down here. You can see 17, we've broken it up. 15, 16, 17. So we know that that's going to be a 2. 28 plus 2 more, 28. 29, 30. So we bring our 30 down. That's these two numbers being brought together. 15 is brought straight down. We can add 30 plus 15. If they need to, they can draw it out. Or the students can look at the tens. 3 tens plus 1 10 is 4 tens. 0 ones plus 5 ones is 5. 30 plus 15 would be 45. So 28 plus 17 is 45. Or again, if they need to, it is perfectly acceptable for them to draw it out. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, plus 17, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. We look at our 28, that's our whole number. If we cover up 15 of them, we have these two left. That's how we know that this number right here is a 2. We can add all of our 10s together here. 10, 20, 30. And our 15 ones, counting those up. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. The important part of these types of problems is that the student understands kind of the process that they're going through. If they get confused on this 28 plus 2, it's just taking that 28 here on the top that I'm circling in green and making a 10 with this group right here. So 10, 20, we had 28, 29, 30. We're just making a 10 here, as we've done in the lesson in the past.